Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you on a journey with me. This journey is going to be 4 to 6 months, maybe a year, I'm not sure yet, but I'm really excited to take you along with me. So you're going to have to keep coming back and checking on videos for new uploads because I'm going to be straightening my teeth. And this is something I've wanted to do for so long. I did have braces as a child, but I didn't wear my retainer, and I'm so sorry to my parents and myself because I wasted all of that time and money, and I have horribly crooked teeth now, so I'm really excited to start this journey. This is with a new startup company called Brisva. They are a clear aligner treatment. They are not a huge name brand, so they're not forcing their insane markups on the consumer, which is really cool. They have a plan that they're gonna draw out specifically to me by a licensed orthodontist, so I'm just so excited. So I have my impression kit that we're going to be doing today. So here is Brisva, and this is the impression kit. So we're going to go ahead and do this together. So those pearly whites are waiting. I'm so excited. Woohoo, it's time. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so first off, we've got some alcohol prep pads. I see some teeth aligner trays in here, some gloves to use for like the putty that we're gonna have to do. This fun contraption. And then I see all like the putty. So let's go ahead and read the instructions. So first off, what you're supposed to do is clean your teeth. So brush your teeth for 2 minutes, soft bristle toothbrush. Don't push too hard, just brush teeth. Flush teeth, and then use like a mouth rinse to get all the particles out. So number 2, we are going to check the tray size. So, okay, we've got 2 uppers and 2 lowers. So let's see. The uppers obviously have the roof of your mouth kind of area. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Oh, really good. And here are the bottoms. Now you have to put the putty in these and hold them in your mouth for like 3 minutes, I believe. Looks like this is the special tool called the cheek retractor. That's fun. So we're gonna put this in and we have to take a bunch of photos. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. Okay, so my photos are done. Boy, that was fun. And here is a little package of gloves to use while you mix your putty. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that. So here is the putty that I'm gonna have to mix together. So here is the putty. I keep reading the directions so I do this right. That's very important to do. Squeeze them to mash the 2 colors together rigorously until the putty in your hand is one uniform color. A log shape. And then you take your impression tray and just form it into the tray like this. Tray is filled with putty. You're ready to showcase your pearly whites. So to finish this step, you align the center of the tray with the center of your teeth. Place your thumbs and push up. You want your teeth to just hit the bottom, but not through the putty. Don't bite down. And then we're going to wait 3 minutes. Mix this till all the colors are mixed together. And then roll it into a log-like shape. Put it into the tray. All right, here we go. Okay, so that went way smoother on the second set of trays than the first set. I will show you my first set compared to my second. So here's the first set. I didn't put my lip over the tray on this one, so make sure when you put the trays in your mouth, you put your lips over the trays. Works much better. So here is the first set, and then compared to these, I think these are much better. I think. I don't know. They look better to me. So now just gonna put them back in the box. They send you a postage paid box, and you just put them all right back in the box, just like this. Just like that. Seal it all up, and it's ready to be shipped right back to them. Just like that. My little sticker on it. And it's ready to go back. So I'm super excited to get my plan of treatment and see what the licensed orthodontist has to say. So I'm so excited. My treatment plan is here, and it only took 6 days from the time I shipped back my impressions. Here you can see the front view. This just goes through a whole progression of the 6 months, what your teeth are starting at to what they're going to be, which is so exciting to see. Here is my bottom teeth. They're just so crooked, and then you can just see how they're so straightened out. Yeah, I really enjoy being able to see this. I think that treatment plan video is so cool, how you can see the whole 6-month progression from beginning to end and just see your teeth move throughout the whole time. I love seeing these bottom teeth just kind of straighten out in that video. That is so cool. So here, look at these teeth. So crooked. And like you can see in that treatment plan how they're just going to straighten out. So I'm really excited for that. And also how fast the turnaround time is so cool. I mean, 6 days from the time I shipped back my impressions, the shipping time and everything included, and I got my treatment plan, was able to see what was going to be happening with my teeth and approve that. And then it's just the crazy turnaround time, and the customer service is so great so far. Always like right there anytime I have a question or concern. So that's really cool. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. Please subscribe and follow along on this journey with me. I'm super excited, and learn more about this company, Brisva, for clear teeth aligners at an affordable price. So yeah, alright guys, I will see you next time.